Universal Studios, making more Despicable Me sequels than Saturday morning cartoons. We're all saltine crackers! Everybody panic! Call the National Guard! This is a serious crisis! I'm late for a very important date. Whoa, dude, have some dignity. Either that or invest in a belt. Well, anywhere in the South that's well prepared for a blizzard, that is. It's best to stay away from Alabama.
Weatherman's right. We better go south right away. You said it. Winter's coming. Winter's coming.
No. You got the quote wrong. It's supposed to be brace yourself. Winter is coming. Get it right next time. Parent of the Year, ladies and gentlemen, leaving their unborn child behind to suffer through harsh cold weathers. Daddy 05 would be proud.
Boy, oh boy, what a day for a swim.
So, birds drive cars instead of fly to the south? Haven't seen that on Animal Planet.
Where's everybody going?
We're all going south. Groundhog says a terrible blizzard's coming.
Go on. That guy don't know his shadow from a hole in the ground.
Woody Woodpecker, the first climate change denier.
And you won't have any food either.
See, even the retard's smarter than you.
Now, I'm going swimming.
Cannonball! Whoa! Well, that was an abrupt weather transition. Apparently the wind was so cold that his tail feathers disappeared in between shots.
Must be hard water in this lake.
Ah, so this is where Pixar got the idea for Partly Cloudy. Oh, I get it, because he's a birdie, huddy har har. Or what we like to call nowadays, an alternative fact.
Getting batted around by cloud people sure does work up an appetite.
We got plenty of food. Go on and blow.
In other news, the Tasmanian devil broke into Woody Woodpecker's house and stole all of his food. His last victim, Bugs Bunny.
Hey, come back here with my food.
Crocky, mate! This one's a fighter! Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to do more Sharknado sequels. He was known as the champion of many staring contests. Oh, you blinked. Better luck next time, Woody. Oh, I love little kitties. I wonder what this one Whoa.
I'm that hungry little kitty cat you just read about.
Ah, great. You broke the fourth wall.
I'm so hungry I could eat a woodpecker. Yeah, that's it.
Pardon me, buddy. That's probably the grocery man.
Hope it's not another Jehovah's Witness. Oh wait, never mind. It's just dinner.
Woody? May I suggest skinning the cat first before cooking it?
Come in. You're just in time for dinner.
Yeah? What are you gonna have for dinner?
I'm gonna have catfish.
Yeah?
Let me take your scarf.
Holy crap! This went from a kid's cartoon to Bates Motel.
You know, I think that pigeon tried to choke me.
Hey, I thought you said he was a woodpecker just a second ago. 0 out of 10, poor continuity.
Step over by the fire and get warm for dinner. Oh boy, feline fricassee.
Ah, crap. I knew I should have turned on the stove before setting up the tables.
From the makers of Whack-A-Mole comes a new game. Introducing Behead-A-Bird. Ah yes, I remember when my first stove had a secret escape door in the back.
You missed me.
Now, my fine pigeon, I'm going to pick you.
I am not a pigeon!
Hey, Rocky! Are you in here?
Mice. Meat.
Ah! Rocky! Help me! I'm being chased by a cat and a bird!
That was pretty good. But you know I'm still hungry.
Yeah? So am I.
We only had one line to do, folks. The actor for Woody Woodpecker called in sick, and we had a pressing deadline to meet. We're sorry for the inconvenience, and good night.